Have you ever woken up in the morning and wondered what it would feel like to earn money while you were asleep? It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? The internet is full of people promising you'll become rich overnight. But here's the truth. Making money while you sleep is possible, but it doesn't happen overnight. It takes effort upfront to build something that keeps working even when you're not. In this video, I'll show you realistic ways to create income that can continue flowing long after you finish the work. Let's get started. What does making money while you sleep really mean? First, let's clear up a common misunderstanding. Making money while you sleep doesn't mean doing absolutely nothing. It means creating something once that continues generating income repeatedly. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it, care for it, and wait. Eventually, it begins producing fruit year after year. Online income works much the same way. The work comes first. The rewards come later. Start a YouTube channel. One of the best examples is YouTube. You create a helpful video today. Months or even years from now, people can still watch it. If your channel is monetized, every view has the potential to earn income through ads. You can also earn from affiliate links, sponsorships, or selling your own products. You don't even have to appear on camera. Many successful creators make faceless videos using AI voices, stock footage, animations, or simple presentations. The important thing is providing value. Sell digital products. Imagine creating an ebook once, or a printable planner, or study notes, or digital templates. You upload them to an online marketplace. Someone buys them while you're asleep. The system automatically delivers the product. No packaging, no shipping, no inventory. You simply create once and sell repeatedly.
Affiliate marketing is another excellent option. Here's how it works. You recommend products or services you genuinely find useful. If someone purchases through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. Many YouTubers, bloggers, and social media creators use affiliate marketing to generate income every day. The key is honesty. Recommend products that truly help people. Trust always wins in the long run. Start a blog or website. Blogs are far from dead. People search Google every day for answers. If your article solves their problem, they may visit your website. Over time, your blog can earn through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. One article can continue attracting readers for years. Create online courses. If you have a skill, someone is willing to learn it. You could teach mathematics, music, graphic design, cooking, language learning, computer skills, business. Record your lessons once. Students enroll whenever they choose. The course keeps working even when you're relaxing or sleeping. Invest for the long term. Another way to build wealth while you sleep is through investing. This could include dividend-paying stocks, index funds, or other long-term investments. Unlike get-rich-quick schemes, investing focuses on steady growth over time. Always learn the risks before investing, and never invest money you can't afford to leave untouched for a while. Here's the mistake that stops most people. They give up too soon. Many expect results within a week. When they don't see instant income, they quit. But successful creators understand something important. Passive income usually starts as active work. Consistency beats excitement. Small progress every day becomes big progress over time. Making money while you sleep isn't about magic. It's about building assets that continue working after you've finished creating them. Whether it's a YouTube channel, a blog, digital products, affiliate marketing, or investing, the best time to start is today. Even one small step can grow into something meaningful over the coming months and years. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a better financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.